until 8:30. As I said, I am going to move to item 16.2. 16.2. We have discussed conference paper 7, and I have invited, or you are, among yourself, you said that informal consultation is needed. And I heard that informal consultation came to very good result. As a result, revised conference paper was published yesterday. As far as I am concerned, I have not heard any views against the conference paper entitled A75/A Conf 7 Revision 1. I have not heard anything. Is anyone would like to take floor to make comments? I think United States as representing co-sponsors, I think United States is ready to take the floor. May I invite representative of United States of America to take the floor? Floor is yours.
Thank you so much, Chair. And you are moving so rapidly. We have different teams, as you can imagine, working on these items and different colleagues. So it took me a minute to get across the room. But thank you for this opportunity to present this evening on A75/A Conf 7/Rev 1, which every delegation, I think, has received online this morning. And let me just say, as you say, Chair, the United States is pleased to present this update on the informal discussions on the conference paper titled Strengthening WHO Preparedness for and Response to Health Emergencies, Proposal for Amendments to the International Health Regulations 2005. And we do present this on behalf of the co-sponsors group. And first, Chair, we'd like to thank you for creating the time and the space for informal discussions on this matter. We also wish to thank all delegations for their commitment to dialogue, consensus, and to ensuring that we begin the next stage of our collective negotiations with a strong foundation and basis for consensus going forward. The ability to meet together that we've had over the past few days to listen and share views was essential for creating a path to consensus. At the informal, we agreed on the following edits to the conference paper, which I will now read out. First, in the accompanying resolution, we agreed to add a new PP5 that recalls the establishment this week of the Working Group on IHR Amendments, WGIHR, through the Working Group on Strengthening WHO Preparedness and Response to Health Emergencies, the WGPR, and reiterating the priority framing for the WGIHR's initial work on a substantive package of targeted amendments as agreed previously by the Executive Board in its decision 150.3. We also agreed to add a new PP6 that notes states parties' right to notify the Director General of rejections or reservations pursuant to Articles 61 and 62 of the amendments of the International Health Regulations set out in this conference paper. Next, Chair, we agreed in the drafting group, or in the informal group, to delete the original PP5 as requested from the floor of Committee A in the original debate and amend OP1 to more clearly characterize the updates to Articles 55, 61, and 62 as necessary consequent updates based on the adoption of changes in Article 59. Finally, in regards to the resolution, we added a new operative paragraph 2 that urges states parties, quote, consistent with Article 44 of the International Health Regulations, to collaborate with each other in the provision or facilitation of technical cooperation and logistical support, particularly in the development, strengthening, and maintenance of the public health capacities required under the international health regulations. This addition, reflecting language from IHR Article 44B, was added through the informals to reflect and address concerns of states parties about capacity to implement the current IHRs, and reiterating a shared commitment to work together to build such capacities for this and any future amendments. Chair, next, in the annex that contains Article 59, we agreed to two changes. In paragraph 1 bis, of Article 59, we adjusted the period for rejection of or reservation to any future amendments to 10 months instead of 9, in order to give states parties additional time for consideration. In paragraph 3 of Article 59, there had previously been suggested text that after notifying the Director General about delays in domestic implementation of an amendment, implementation should be achieved no later than 6 months after entry into force of the amendments for that state party. This in the rev that delegations have before them, this suggestion was deleted, and the current text states that after such a declaration, the concerned party should achieve outstanding adjustments no later than 12 months after entry into force for that state's party. This change maintains the current 24 months for implementation. Chair, we believe that the updated text in Conf 7/Rev 1 reflects the results of our productive work together over the past several days here at the Health Assembly, and reflects the consensus of member states. On behalf of all of the co-sponsors, we would like again to thank member states for working together on this historic effort to strengthen the IHRs. I thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Honorable Representative of United States of America. Are you clear about changing points? In order to keep your voice, if members, delegations have some, would like to hear once more, I think I can ask Secretariat to lead again. It's all right?
Okay.
I don't see any request, so I would like to make sure that if the committee now ready to approve the draft resolutions contained in A75/A Conf 7 Revision 1, the financial and administrative implication of this resolution may be found in document A75A/Conf/7 at 1. I am asking you if the committee is ready to approve the draft resolution in question. I see no objection. Therefore, the resolution is adopted with these amendments. Therefore, I repeat, the resolution is approved with amendment.